This 2017 Forest River Berkshire 34QS is a Class A RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 35 feet 7 inches in length and features Sleep 6, LP detector, external shower, smoke detector, auxiliary battery, oven, carbon monoxide detector, slide-out, skylight, TV, microwave, and 86 gal fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features front living area, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom. This 2017 Forest River Berkshire 34QS is built on a Freightliner chassis and is powered by a Cummins engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.